Economical advertising agencies. Low-cost internet ad agencies are the ideal method and many suggested methods to make your service or product known and for your website to generate income. There is such a very huge variety of cost-effective web advertising agencies that are now found on the net. There are different internet advertising agencies according to the sort of product and services they offer. Here is a list of a few of these kinds of online marketing agencies. 1. Website design companies. These are concentrated on building web pages for a site. If you just understand how and where to discover them, lots of web developers are now providing affordable services. 2. Logo design services. Production of website logo designs is the primary issue of these agencies. Numerous pre-designed logos could be acquired or even tailored to match your site better. 3. Copywriting agencies. In adjunct to SEO, these companies provide quality material that targets the attention of the marketplace you plan to tap. Looking for the very best handle copywriting services will be a cinch if you understand where to look. They are frequently found with their own websites if you choose freelancers. 4. SEO companies. These companies evaluate and customize sites in order to achieve the highest possible search engine ranking. They enhance your site's design and material to better attract more traffic. Link structure might likewise be employed by these e-marketing firms to benefit your organization. They are actually a combination of all the services discussed above. In some cases, they also pass the name of internet marketing consultancies or something of that sort. 5. Domain registration business. In accessory to search engine optimization, these agencies provide quality content that targets the attention of the market you mean to tap. Looking for the finest offers with copywriting services will be a cinch if you understand where to look. Link building might likewise be employed by these e-marketing agencies to benefit your company. Looking for the best among a broad selection of these companies is like looking for a needle in a haystack. Simply make sure that you do not sign up with those whose just intention is to rip off those who can't afford the most trusted domain registration agencies. These are simply a few of the internet advertising agencies that a web marketing novice might turn to. Examining your requirements first will much better your opportunities in contacting the cream of the crop of these internet marketing agencies minus the substantial price tag. Your organization's name on the web is the business of this business. Searching for the best among a large variety of these companies resembles looking for a needle in a haystack. But if you are figured out enough to do your homework with these marketing services, the results would be more than gratifying. Just make sure that you do not sign up with those whose just objective is to dupe those who can't afford the most respectable domain registration companies.